Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, stylish and full of confidence. You don't need to hide it. You can make it your best features. Let's explore some simple and elegant grey hairstyle ideas. First, the short pixie cut. This is a very easy and modern hairstyle. It is short, light and simple to manage. A pixie cut makes your face look fresh and bright. It is perfect if you want a clean and confident look. Next is the grey bob haircut. A bob cut is always beautiful. It frames your face nicely and gives a soft and classy look. You can keep it straight or add light layers for more volume. Another great option is the layered grey haircut. Layers help your hair look fuller and more lively. This is very useful if your hair feels thin. It also gives a soft and youthful appearance. Now let's talk about shoulder length grey haircut. This length is perfect if you don't like very short hair. You can leave it open, tie it or make soft waves. It gives you many styling options. The soft curls style is also a lovely idea. Soft curls make your grey hair look shiny and full of life. It adds beauty without much effort. Another simple and elegant look is straight grey hair. This style looks neat and polished. It is perfect for both daily life and special events. Let's not forget the low bun hairstyle. A low bun hairstyle is a classic and graceful style. It keeps your hair neat and looks very elegant, especially with grey hair. The short shaggy cut is also very trendy. It gives a relaxed and natural look. This style is easy to manage and perfect for everyday wear. You can also try side bangs or front layers. They make your face look softer and add a stylish touch to your haircut. Now here are a few simple tips for grey hair care. Keep your hair moisturized with oil or conditioner. Use a gentle shampoo for soft and shiny hair. Trim your hair regularly to keep the shape nice. And most importantly, choose a style that feels comfortable for you. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.